I created these thank you cards and a couple other things for my next shop update using Kittl. I have been struggling with preparing for my shop update coming up, especially with getting creative, so I decided to use Kittl, which is the sponsor for today's video, and I'm going to show you exactly how it can help you as a small business owner if you get a creative block and you know that you have to prepare for a shop update too. I wanted this shop update to be really special because through my new release of items, I'm going to be giving back to one of the charities that I really admire because they create water wells and accessible clean water for people in parts of the world where clean water is really hard to access. I think because it's so important to me, my perfectionist side of myself has been coming up, so I needed a lot of help and an extra boost. If you haven't heard about Kittl, it's an AI-powered design platform that makes it easy to create professional graphics. You get all the pro tools like effects, vector editing, and shape builders, but in a way that's simple and actually fun to use. You can start with a blank canvas or grab inspo from thousands of ready-made templates, unique fonts, and design elements. The AI even helps you brainstorm and create as you go. And if you're a business owner, you'll find plenty of mockups to test your designs and see how they'd look on real products. Let's go ahead and start with my thank you card design. I usually send out a standard one with all of my orders, but this time I wanted something unique. I'm searching for a template that I want, and I don't want like a normal shape like a 5x7 or a 4x6, which is what I usually use. I kind of want it to look like a voucher or ticket, so let's go ahead and type in what I'm looking for. So something that might be cuter and easier for people to collect. The nice thing is that Kittl has so many different templates to choose from, and they're all very unique. And they have a large variety of beautiful fonts as well. So if I wanted to change that up later, I could. I like this design, so I'm going to start with this. I really like the shape. It's kind of like that voucher look that I wanted to go for. I also like the layout, and I kind of have an idea of where I want the words, and it's actually pretty fitting on this voucher design. But obviously I'm not going to use this piece of artwork. I'm going to go ahead and replace it with the artwork that I created. Speaking of, I drew a couple of custom art pieces, including some capybaras and ducks. All I had to do was upload my designs directly to Kittl's browser. Okay, for this design, I'm gonna be going for the chunky capybara and a ducky. And honestly, I kind of want to add these designs on almost everything, but for now, I'll put them on the voucher looking thank you card. This part is super easy because the artwork's already done, so I just have to drag and drop it in. Then I'll add the words that I want. Of course, you want to make sure it says that it is a thank you card, so just use literally the words thank you on the card. And I also like to include how people are helping make a difference through their purchases on my shop. If you're a small business owner too, it's a great idea to add more than just saying the words thank you on your thank you card. You can talk about what makes your business different, your backstory, or even what you envision for your business to become in the future. Okay, next I'm going to be changing up some of the colors, and this part's a lot easier thanks to the dropper tool. I can just click on the duck or capybara and match those colors to the rest of the card. I'm going to be trying out baby blue first since those are my brand colors, but because this is a special shop update, I think I'm going to go with some of the main colors from the capybara and the ducks, and probably some axolotls, but we'll see if I end up adding that. After I decided what design I wanted for the thank you card, I tried to fit as many of them as I could on one sheet of paper, and then I put all my correct settings so that it would print properly, and in hopes that this was the correct size. Here we go, it looks pretty good so far. Now I'm just cutting up the cards to double check that I like the size and shape that I chose. If I don't, I can always make quick adjustments on Kittl, but I think they turned out pretty great. I'm happy with them, so let's move on to making promotional assets like stories and posts. As a small business owner, giving your audience a sneak peek of what's coming up even before your shop update plays a huge role in building up anticipation and excitement for your products coming up. That's why creating cohesive assets like stories and posts are essential for having a successful launch. The great thing is I'm using the same template, which helps everything look consistent, and this is especially important when you have a brand with specific colors and a visual identity. For me, I'm matching everything to my shop update theme, but in general, keeping your brand colors consistent makes your content instantly recognizable. I'm creating a coming soon design, so I added one of my other new capybara and duck designs on it, and I found this font I really like, so I'm gonna keep this as my main font for my designs, and I'll add a couple of little cute clouds. I also use this tool to remove the black cloud outlines because I didn't really like those, and now I'm fixing the cloud colors to make sure that they match the fonts too. Okay, that was pretty easy, right? So let's create one more story for now with the main character as the ducky, and I'm releasing bucket hats for the first time in my shop. So I'm adding pictures of those and using the remove background tool to add them in. I also changed the colors a little bit because I felt like the ones of the bucket hat weren't matching how they look like in real life. So let's just adjust those. I shifted them around a little bit and I left some extra space so that I can add a poll later on to get my audience more engaged with my stories. Wait, okay, there's one super fun thing that I tried out and it's called Kittl Flows. What you do is you take a design and turn it into a bunch of different variations in seconds. Here's how I used it with my story design. First, I clicked on Smart Board, and basically it creates a new board for you based on your original one, and you can give it a prompt. So I asked it to make something similar to my first design, but talk about my new bucket hats and clothing, and this is what it came up with. I probably won't actually use this, but it's so cute. Look at the duck's little bucket hat and outfit. Anyway, this tool is really fun. I'm definitely gonna play around with it more and see what else I can make. Since I have all my assets organized in one place, it was easy to create stories that align perfectly with my theme and my thank you card, of course. I used the same capybara and duck designs to make a few variations, and as you can see, I kept all the colors coordinated. What I love about this tool is that it includes beautiful templates with unique fonts, some I've never even seen before. I mean, you can even change how flexible the font is. You can change if you want it in a circle, if you want it to just curve a little bit, or just completely in a different shape. I definitely plan to use these because they really help your content stand out. By the way, make sure to subscribe because I do a lot of DIY art projects. I also show how my business gives back to the environment and kids in need through different organizations. So if that's something that you want to see, and also my team having fun with working with different charities, make sure to subscribe so I can see you again. And that's everything I created using Kittl to prepare for my next shop update. This whole process was honestly a huge help, especially when I was feeling stuck creatively. Having all my designs and ideas in one place made it so much easier for me to refer back to, stay organized, and keep everything on brand. If you want to try out Kittl for yourself, they were kind enough to give you guys a 25% discount on all of their plans, including the annual ones. Just use my code BEEYT when you sign up or check the link in the description below. Huge thanks again to Kittl for sponsoring this video and for making my shop update preparation a lot easier. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time!